This is actually a beaver pond behind the shop. You see I'm standing on a stick that beavers chewed. And there's trees and sticks. There's all kinds of stuff down here that you see. Every stick I step on has beaver chew on it. I mean, this is huge. It's like, that's probably, there's probably, what, a good half acre right here, and it's all beaver territory. You can see my footprints, but the other thing you see, I think it's coyotes. I think they come down here and hang out. There's all kinds of tricky little tracks. There's my footprints, but see, there's somebody, 2 claws. I don't know what that was. But I'm actually walking. There's a deer. I am stepping and walking on the edge of this huge beaver dam. And, oh, there's a good one right there. Look at that. Look at that paw printer. Huh? What do you think that is? That looks coyote to me. There's another one. That's good size. A little bigger than a fox, I will tell you that. Now, when you walk around here, I mean, every stick, every piece of wood that you look at, everything is beaver chewed. All up through there, that whole area. You can walk around anywhere. There's a water snake. He's chilling right there. He was just peeking up at me. Look at a little tiny stick that the beaver chewed. I could just come down here and collect beaver sticks. I don't know what I do with them yet. I'm not that creative. But it's just awesome to me to take a little adventure down here. And I don't always do this in my videos, so I figured why not. I'm shaking because there's a big cat. Guys, that was crazy. I'm so excited. Where'd he go? I want to see him again. He's so pretty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. He's down in there. He was right on that log. I don't know if you guys saw him or not. He's quick. Paw prints. I think she's living down here. I don't see her right now. I was in there last night where she's in there somewhere too. She was probably watching me banging around in there. It's just weird that she came up to the top deck there and just chilled out. Kind of eerie. She was that close. I mean, I was, you know, sitting in the old porta-john. That's, you hear the door creek when I'm trying to close it. And it kind of spooked her. And she just kind of turned and walked off. There's no activity out here right now. I think I may have spooked him. I don't know. Maybe we'll get down to the creek here and have a big cat sighting. Where I was last night. This is the beach. Down in back of the shop. Look at this. I like finding stuff like that down here. There's a lot of coolness down here. This is the beach. A lot of cool rocks down here. There's some good trout fishing right here. This is a nice spot. A lot of people like to come down here and fly fish, catch trout. It's real pretty.